Microsoft have introduced two new Surface devices to the Surface family, and I get to unbox one of them today, the Surface Laptop Go 3, and I'm very excited. Roll the titles, please. Alright, what is up everyone? I am Matt Field from the Microsoft Expert Zone UK and I team. Welcome, and I hope you are all well. And as I said in the intro of this video, I'm very excited because I get to open the Surface Laptop Go 3, which is a device that me and my daughter are very excited about because it's a small portable device that will allow us to watch our movies, do some emails and homework, or on the go as well because it's super light and super portable. Now, before we get into the unboxing of this particular device, please hit that subscribe button and that notification icon so you can get notified when other unboxing videos go live. But in the meantime, let's get into it. Now, the first thing I notice about this is the classic Surface box is there, but the cellophane has a nice new little feature. It's got a little tab on the front, a little tabaroo, so we can get into the device nice and quick. So let's get into it right now and start with the tab. Okay, so let's pull this tab here. Beautiful stuff, and as you can see, it opens nice and easy, and we can just get rid of all of this cellophane just to the side. And now it's time for my favorite part, which is opening the box. There we go, put that to one side, and there it is, the cool ice blue finish in this particular model. I'm going to put the device to one side just for now to show you what's inside the box. Here we have the user guides and the warranty information, very important, so we'll keep these just to one side for now. And then next up we have the Surface Connect charger, and this is a perfect time in the video to talk about the battery life of the Surface Laptop Go 3. This device comes with up to 15 hours of battery life and can be charged up to 80% in just 1 hour, which is really cool. Now, the device itself is 1.13 kilograms in weight. It is ultra light, ultra portable, and it's easy to take everywhere. As you can see, there is a blue finish on the back and a ice blue finish on the top. It has a 12.4 pixel sense touch display with the Surface Signature 3:2 aspect ratio, full-size keyboard with fingerprint power button on select models with one-touch sign-in, and a precision trackpad. It comes in all different colors that you crave, beautiful colors, 4 of them in fact. It comes in platinum, sage, sandstone, and ice blue, all in a cool, durable, cool metal finish. The connections on this device are the Surface Connect for docking and charging just here. We have one USB-A port, one USB-C port, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. All the models come with an Intel Core i5 processor to get your work done effortlessly, stream all the latest releases, and run your favorite day-to-day apps, now with faster performance and up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. It also comes with multi-directional Omnisonic speakers and Dolby Audio that are behind the keyboard, so you can't see any speakers. And it has built-in studio mics and voice clarity to help remove background noise. So there we have it, the Surface Laptop Go 3, a nice, sleek, ultra portable, ultra light device that allows you to get everything done that you need to get done in a day. That's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. As I said before, click the subscribe button and the notification icon to get notified when the other devices get unboxed. I've been Matt. You've been watching Microsoft Expert Zone UK and I will check you all on the flip side. Peace!